Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome guys. Today video I'm going to make chocolate, dark chocolate. It is mixture. See this mixture. So guys, I have here mixture of dark chocolate. I have here 1 glass of water, and I have milk, small glass. I have oil, 1 big spoon. I have vanilla, small spoon, and I have baking powder, 1 big spoon. Also I have 1 egg, and I have milk powder, 1 big spoon. So guys, as you see, this is the ingredients I'm going to use it. So stay tuned and let us see it is, guys. So guys, this is I'm going to add here. I'm going to start with 1 glass of water, and I forward with 1 glass of milk. So I'm going to add 1 egg, and then I blend. So guys, I'm going to add brownie, I add milk powder, I add baking powder, I add vanilla, and the last one is cooking oil, and I'm going to mix. So you see guys, it's ready. So I'm going to add here some small oil, and then I wrap it like this. So I'm going to add here this mixture of brownie chocolate. So after that, I'm going to put on like 20 minutes. Okay, so guys, just stay with me. Let us see how our cake will be. Okay, so guys, our cake is going, we are going to wait for 20 minutes. Okay, it will come out. Just to stay tuned with me, guys. Let us see our cake. Wow, this is amazing. See it? So guys, as you see, our cake is ready. Come out. Ready? Wow. So guys, See, our cake is ready. So I need to cut it. So let us see our cake, guys. See, wow, you see our brownies cake is ready. So guys, thank you very much for your time. Please, if you like my recipe, let me know. Section down there, comment section. Just leave the comment, like, share, and let us meet next time, inshallah, for another video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May peace be upon him. So let us see our cake, guys. See, wow, you see our brownies cake is ready. So guys, thank you very much for your time. Please, if you like my recipe, let me know. Section down there, comment section. Just leave the comment, like, share, and let us meet next time, inshallah, for another video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May peace be upon him.